What you know about pony hair on your kicks, bruh? Pony hair on your kicks. YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch, and I'm kind of surprised. I'm on my second pair of KD10s, and it's not because I'm not surprised because I didn't like the shoe. I always thought the shoe was dope. I just thought that one, I initially I didn't like the way it looked on my foot, and I think that really came down to like the colorways. There haven't been a lot of colorways that I have liked, and I fell in love with the Black History Months, and now I've fallen in love with these Aunt Pearls. So if you're not familiar with the Aunt Pearls, KD had an aunt that passed away from cancer, and since the KD4s, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think they had any before the 4s. I think it started with the 4s. Since the 4s, they've always done an Aunt Pearl colorway, and it's been a staple of his line since then. And they typically, put it this way, the 4s were just crazy, but then they kind of fell off. The 5s were trash. The 6s were nothing to write home about. The 7s were dope. The 8s were trash. And then the 9s were but we're on to the 10s. And the 10s are fire. So, back on February 28th, they released in limited quantities. They came out on a sneakers app where they sold out within a couple of hours. It did take a while to sell out. And then they also came out at your local House of Hoops. So what I would suggest, because I do believe people slept on these Johns and these things are crazy, go to your local House of Hoops if you like these and see if they got them. I went in there about a week or two after they dropped, and I picked up a pair for my homie. Nothing real special about the box. It's all pink, white writing, white swoosh. Nike Zoom KD10 AP retails $150. So even though it's limited, or was limited, they didn't raise the price. And your official colorway is pearl pink, white sail. Now, these joints are crazy to me. I'm not real fond of the white sail bottom because I know they're going to be hard to keep clean, but these things are cold. And I don't know if the camera's really going to pick up on it. I hope it does. But it's not a dull pink, but it's also not loud. It's like perfect. It's really a perfect color pink. And they execute it well. So if you watch that Black Cement 3 video, I ripped the 3s because the quality was trash. The quality was so bad that people were actually commenting saying that the shoe was fake, and the shoe wasn't fake. They were legit. I bought them from a legit retailer, and then I resold them because the quality was terrible. This is quality. This is what you pay your hard-earned money for. This is quality. So your fly knit is all pink. The entire upper is fly knit in all pink. Actually, I'm lying. Everything's not all pink. I'm sorry. Everything's not all fly knit. We're going to get to that in a second. But then your midsole is also pink. And the paint is not cheap. Okay? That's a stab at all you Jordan Black Cement 3 fans with that cheap paint on y'all midsole. The paint is not cheap. Now, this is where it gets crazy. The laces, if I'm not mistaken, bruh, this is pony hair. Crazy. So the laces are different than your regular KD10 laces. And then this is definitely pony hair. I don't know if y'all remember, but do you remember when Denzel was talking about alpaca in the American Gangster movie?
Hey, don't rub on that. You block that. You understand? That's alpaca. That's $25,000 alpaca. You block that shit. Right. You don't rub them. Put the club soda on there.
This is what he was talking about. That's some quality. That's pony hair on your heel on both sides. And then you also got pony hair on this tab. Look at that toe box. This has always been my concern with the KD10s, but that looks great. Look at that toe box. So I really do love these shoes. These are in contention for the second best pickup I've had this year. I know it's still early. It's only but March, but it is what it is. And then you also have the angel wings on the back, which I think is a beautiful touch that they have done with the shoe. Now, the other thing is, I don't own any horses. I don't have a stable. Is pony hair supposed to be 3M? Because this junk is 3M to me, dog. This is crazy. It's really 3M. The heel and this tab on your midfoot is 3M. And I love 3M. So you also have some pony hair on your tongue with your KD embroidering. Again, quality. And then on the back, or on the back of your tongue, you have the breast cancer or the cancer awareness logo there. And then to dive a little bit deeper, inside of your shoe, your insole has a message. It has the KD logo, and it says, "In memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us all to continue to fight for a cure." So, dope concept, dope cause. Everything about this shoe is A1 to me. Let me know if y'all feel the same exact way. Comment, like, subscribe. Also, are you a fan of the KD 10s? I'm late to it. I tried out the olives and I didn't like them, but the KD 10s are dope. Even though if you were to go through all the players' PEs, he has the worst PEs in the game right now. Kyrie kills the game, PG kills the game, LeBron kills the game, and then KD. Like, I don't know what they're doing with his PEs, but there are a few colorways that have come out that I did like. The finals PEs were dope. There's a black and white colorway that was dope. Of course, the Black History Months, and then these. Other than that, I think they dropped the ball, but I like them. So let me know what y'all think.
Drink your shot! Drink your shot! Drink your shot! Drink your shot! Take it back! Take it back!
I don't rock designer clothes, got homies making it happen. Copy and paste the hoodie, press why do before the jacket. Insane deranged, I'm out of my brain. Rebel like Django, but still rockin' chain. Shots, the liquor will rain, and then Mary Jane is at it again. Roll up a split, soiree going down at the crib. Gallon of the Henny, just finished the fifth. Sex and a smile, only thing a nigga get. Room start spinning, but I take another swig. Eyes low, but I'm high in the clip. Gotta roll dubs, that's Cyril and Nicks. We drinking it straight, they chasing the shit. Scream, yell from the top of your lungs. Tonight we will do what has never been done. Trumpets will sound, Messiah will come. I'll take order and turn it to wine, no flow. Take a few shots and chase it with smoke. Got my mind in the clouds, but my feet is up to the flow. Girl, we smoking and we drinking, don't need chaser for my Hennessy. We smoking and we drinking, don't need chaser for my Hennessy. Yeah, in the clouds, never coming down. Space Jam in the clouds, never coming down. Swigs in the party, no 8 Click full of rough riders, pretty women steady watch me. Swagger must be timeless. I put twinkles in their eyes, aqua in their fancy lining. No Rolex, still I'm shining. Fuck diamonds, feel like your highness. I keep thick dimes on my dick line. Everywhere I go, click shine, I'ma get mine. Already know, sip wine when I sit down. How about the dope, Benjamin, fuck a Ray guy. Break down the kush,
Mix it with hash,
here's I ain't young.
still living fast.
BYOB, touching the flash. Take a few shots, then pump it and pass. Scream, yell from the top of your lungs. Tonight we will do what has never been done. Trumpets will sound, Messiah will come. I'll take order and turn it to wine, no flow. Take a few shots and chase it with smoke. Got my mind in the clouds, but my feet is up to the flow. Girl, we smoking and we drinking, don't need chaser for my Hennessy. We smoking and we drinking, don't need chaser for my Hennessy. Space Jam in the clouds, never coming down. Space Jam in the clouds, never coming down. Scream, yell from the top of your lungs. Tonight we will do what has never been done. Trumpets will sound, Messiah will come. I'll take water and turn it to